Did you receive the package? Yes, it arrived this afternoon. No, I'm still waiting for it. Did you visit the book fair? Yes, I went last weekend. No, I didn't have time. Did you turn off the lights? Yes, I turned them off before leaving. No, I forgot to do that. Did you find the book you were looking for? Yes, I found it in the library. No, it's out of stock. Did you take the medicine? Yes, I took it this morning. No, I forgot to take it. Did you enjoy your lunch? Yes, it was delicious. No, it wasn't that good. Did you watch the documentary? Yes, it was very informative. No, I didn't get around to it. Did you practice your English? Yes, I practiced speaking with a friend. No, I didn't practice today. Did you pay the bills? Yes, I paid them all. No, I need to do that today. Did you renew your subscription? Yes, I renewed it for another year. No, I decided to cancel it. Did you feel nervous during the presentation? Yes, I was a bit nervous at first. No, I felt confident. Did you reply to the invitation? Yes, I sent my RSVP yesterday. No, I need to reply. Did you remember to bring your ID? Yes, I have it with me. No, I forgot to bring it. Did you have any issues with the software? Yes, there were a few bugs. No, it worked perfectly. Did you catch the train on time? Yes, I got there just in time. No, I missed it by a few minutes. Did you send the package? Yes, I sent it yesterday. No, I haven't had the chance yet. Did you follow up on the email? Yes, I sent a reply this morning. No, I need to follow up. Did you take your vitamins today? Yes, I took them with breakfast. No, I forgot to take them. Did you learn anything new in class? Yes, we learned about financial management. No, it was mostly review. Did you listen to the podcast? Yes, it was really interesting. No, I haven't had the chance yet. Did you eat breakfast? Yes, I did. I had boiled eggs and milk. No, I skipped breakfast today. Did you finish your homework? Yes, I finished it last night. No, I haven't finished it yet. Did you understand the lesson? Yes, I understood everything. No, I didn't get some parts. Did you meet the teacher? Yes, I met her yesterday. No, I haven't met her yet. Did you work out today? Yes, I went for a run this morning. No, I didn't have time today. Did you hear the news? Yes, I did. No, what happened? Did you visit your grandparents? Yes, I visited them last weekend. No, I couldn't go. Did you buy the groceries? Yes, I bought everything on the list. No, I forgot to go. Did you book the tickets? Yes, I booked them yesterday. No, I haven't booked them yet. Did you go to the gym today? Yes, I had a great workout this morning. No, I skipped it today. I wasn't feeling up to it. Did you enjoy the meal? Yes, it was delicious. No, it wasn't really to my taste. Did you remember to lock the door? Yes, I double checked it before we left. No, I completely forgot. We should go back and check. Did you see the new movie? Yes, I saw it last night. It was good. No, I haven't had time to watch it yet. Did you wake up early? Yes, I did. No, I slept in. Did you like it? Yes, it was great. No, not really. Did you get my message? Yes, I got it. No, I didn't see it. Did you clean the room? Yes, it's tidy. No, not yet. Did you change the password? Yes, it's updated. No, I forgot. Did you charge your phone? Yes, it's charged. No, it's low. Did you visit your friend? Yes, we met. No, not yet. Did you attend the workshop? Yes, it was very informative and helpful. No, I missed it because of a prior commitment. Did you pay the rent? Yes, I paid it on time to avoid any late fees. No, I had a problem with my bank account. Did you write the thank you note? Yes, I wrote and sent it yesterday. No, not yet.